Hi, this is Sarita Roche, and I would like to reuse this canvas. This particular painting was kind of a cool experiment. I like these kind of planet-like features, but I was never 100% sold, and I definitely didn't put it for sale on my site. So let's see what else we can make. Let's make a beautiful mess.
You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your mind at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know